All right, so for this screencast, I wanted to talk a little bit more about High Point State Park, which is at the top of the state of New Jersey. It's actually the highest point of elevation in the state of New Jersey, which is generally at sea level or below sea level. And it's also at the very itself. And from the monument and the park, you are very close to the state lines of Pennsylvania and New York. And one thing that's very interesting about High Point is that it is a small chunk, but a chunk of the Appalachian Trail, which is a trail that runs up and down the east coast of the United States, following the Appalachian Mountain Range. And it's kind of a little less well known, but there are a few of the mountains that run through the tip of Jersey. And here we have a map of hiking trails that are available around the south, and you can see a little bit of elevation right here where the mountains kind of cut through. And if people were, as they do often in the summer, to want to hike the entirety of the Appalachian Trail, this is where they would end up walking through. If they were taking the trail to get to the top of it, they would, just for a small amount of time, be going through New Jersey. Another big attraction of the park is the monument itself. It is a monument to New Jersey soldiers, people from the state of New Jersey who have served in the Army, the Navy, the Marines for the country. And it's technically the tallest, highest point in the state of New Jersey. And inside this tower, you can actually climb the steps. I know right now it's closed to visitors, but in non-pandemic times, you would be able to, if you wanted, climb the inside of this tower to the top. You can actually get a good view of Pennsylvania to the west, New York to the east, and a little bit to the north. And from the way that this photograph is looking, this is actually pointing south. So you can see a little bit more of the mountains as they go kind of back along the horizon, but you can see the state itself flattening out as you go further and further south.